In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bookmap terminal. Now, over here, when you open up Bookmap for the first time and you sign into your account, this is what you're going to see, and this is basically their terminal, okay? So it may look a bit confusing at first, but it's actually really not hard to use. So to use Bookmap, after you basically do that, and you, as I said, sign in, you can go ahead and add a new instrument by clicking on the plus sign up here, and then it's going to ask you for the platform. You can put in the type. So for example, let's say we're going to do spot. Exchange can also be selected over here from the list, and then the symbol as well. So we're going to go ahead and do Ethereum USD for this instance, and then we're going to do Binance, OKX, etc. Okay, so like that, and then here you can go ahead and add in historical data. You can go ahead, select that, the tick size, the size granularity, etc. After you're happy, click on subscribe, and a new instrument is going to be added to your chart over here. You can switch between the two now, and of course every single one is going to take a few seconds to load and for you to be able to see the actual data. Okay, so as you can see, it's still loading over here, and there we go, it's already loaded in a bit more. Now after you do this, this is basically the main thing, and then you can view the market's depth of the market. You can see the order book here on the right. You can track liquidity and use different volume bubbles to easily visualize things, stuff like that. You can go ahead and right click over here, and you can set different chart settings. You can go ahead and do a bunch of different things over here. You can even open up the settings and basically customize it to your own preferences. You can go up here where it says file, and you can create and open up new workspaces. You can export things. You can establish different connections. Inside settings, you have a bunch of different color settings for your board over here. You can also put on different indicators if you want to. You can then also go ahead and configure stuff, use different keyboard shortcuts, etc. And then here on the left, as you can see, there's a bunch of different settings you can just go ahead and use as well. Okay, so this is kind of how to navigate using this Bookmap terminal. It's actually not that hard. You can just drag around on your screen over here, add new instruments up here, and then you can also use different drawing tools. You can go ahead and draw different things on your chart over here, and then of course basically do some technical analysis or whatever you want on your board over here. So that's pretty much how to use the Bookmap terminal. This was a very basic guide. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.